Hey, what's up? Sami here. Long time no see. Today, I'm bringing you the most exciting or dream bike for any man because this thing is really amazing. It's awesome. It's called Fiido M1. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's do this really quick. In the first layer, we see saddle. Wow! Come to check how this tire is, how huge, how gigantic is this tire. And here are what are in the box. Next, I'm going to show you how to assemble the Fiido M1 electric bike. Get rid of the ropes and the foam of the M1 first. Then we're starting to install the handlebar. Make sure the head faces to the right direction. Take out the right side screwdriver that comes with the package to unscrew the two screws on top of the head tube. Then put the handlebar, the plate, and the screws on respectively and screw them tightly. After that, we are ready to install the front tire. Take out the skew axle, unscrew one end, make sure only take one spring out with the nut, and put them aside for later use. Place the front tire into the fork. Make sure the disc brake part is in the right side. Now we can use the axle close to the hub. Here what it looks like on the other side. Screw tight like the video shows. And finally, lock the other end up. When you are finished the front tire installation, spin it to see if it runs smoothly. If not, then you may need to adjust the brake cable a bit. Now move to the easiest part, which is install the seat post. Just loose the clamp, put the seat post into the seat tube, adjust the seat head a little bit and then lock up the clamp. Last is to adjust the direction of the light. The reason why it's packed inwardly is for better shipping. Just loose the screws, put the light front facing, screw tight the screws, done. As it also comes with the foldable pedals, you may want to unfold them before turning on the bike. Alright, that's unboxing and installation. As I'm testing heavily right now, I will put out a detailed review very soon on Geekbang channel. Make sure to stay tuned. Should you have any questions about the bike, just leave them below and we'll catch you up very soon. Peace!